Welcome back from the ad break. So this is the topic that we've been doing, problem solving and decision making. We're going to do a recap of what we've been doing. As you know, whenever we start a lesson, there's a map or a journey that we go through. So we've covered the following: decision making, problem solving, we've defined it, and then we did the differences between decision making and problem solving. We did the problem solving steps, we did the problem solving techniques, the implications and the impacts. We only focused on two techniques, which was our Delphi technique and the force field analysis. Right. Another quick recap: we've defined creative. We said to be original, inventive, or resourceful. To generate is to produce or create. Creativity means the ideas featuring new and original methods. We looked at decision making. We said it's a process of analyzing a situation to identify strategies to bring about change. We look at the problem, which says experiencing uncertainty or difficulty in achieving what we want to achieve. We also looked at problem solving, gathering the facts that include problem findings and problem shaping. We looked at the techniques, problem solving techniques to be exact. We said these are various problem solving techniques which businesses use to solve business related problems. Right, these are the common errors that most of the learners they come across. So we've also covered this, or you need to be very mindful of this. Problem solving, it's the process of gathering the facts that are necessary to overcome a specific challenge. That is problem solving. Whereas problem solving technique, it is a method that is used to solve complex business related problems. Don't forget, a technique is a method, right? But problem solving is just a process. Don't forget the two. Right. And then decision making. Decision makers must consider various alternatives before deciding on what? On the best one. And then driving forces are the advantages of the challenge. Right. Where do we normally see the driving forces? When you're doing the force field analysis as a technique for problem solving. Whereas restraining forces, these are the disadvantages of what? Of a challenge. Right. So now I'm going to leave you with this challenging question. You have to do it just so that you can know whether you understand the topic or you don't understand the topic. So our challenge question goes as follows: discuss how businesses can apply. How can they put this into practice? What? The following technique. So the application of this technique, which is the force field analysis technique. So the application of this technique, how can businesses apply the force field analysis technique? Right. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you've learned so much, because I've also learned and I've enjoyed being with you. So for me, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.